Put some respect on it. On it. On it. On it. On it.
Are you ready now?
Yes. Where are we going? I forgot.
We'll just go to Wayne's.
Huh?
We'll just go to Wayne's and then we'll do the thing and
Okay.
I guess ride back. Huh?
Wayne's?
Yeah, just Wayne's.
Huh?
Just Wayne's.
Okay.
And then we'll ride back or something.
Okay. We'll go to Funway.
Alright. Oh, some fuckery is afoot right now. Eurotrash up there is back from Colorado on his dad's KLR 650. You've seen footage of him in my intro, and this kid is freaking awesome. I'm so stoked. I just randomly found out he was back in town last night. Said, hey, I'm off tomorrow. Let's catch an early morning ride. So I got over here at like freaking 9 a.m. and where I moved, it's only a whopping freaking like 12 miles from me now. So no more riding all the way over the mountain and everything, like 60 some miles to ride with him. Now I'm pretty much right here when he's in town. Uh-oh, I know which way we're going. We're going off-road. Well, not really. There's like a 2-foot patch of grass that's off-road. Like friggin' chain lube on my damn tire right now. So extra paranoid. We tried to clean it off, it didn't work so good. So hopefully I can just kind of burn it off. But who thinks I should put that man up there on this bike today and get his thoughts? Like I'll just put the whole helmet on him and just let him talk about it. Let him see what he thinks. Ah, just nothing but mountains around. Dude, I freaking love living back over here. It's so awesome. So we're like heading to Wayne's, by the way. Oh, split decision. About to lose his headset. I don't think that's an active wear headset there, Cody. Or at least it's not made for activities at 60 plus. Yes! Yes! Yeah, cool. Yeah, just pull right up. Yeah, just, yeah, you know, So I didn't have the GoPro on my helmet at all when I was riding over to Cody's house here. And I got hit in my left titty by a dove at 40 miles an hour. It did not feel good at all. I mean, it hit me And I was like, oh Lord, this is it. Oh, I think, I mean, like, I'm not even sore. I wasn't even sore by the time I got to his house. And it was only like maybe a mile or so from his house. I'm scared to do this since there's not tire shine, but chain lube on the side of my tire on the left side. Whee! It's like a roller coaster, Harry! If you look at it, it's like he's a chicken. You know, like you take and move a chicken around, its head stays still? That's what it's kind of like. Squeak! This is why I love riding with this dude. He's freaking hilarious. He also rides BMX too, and he's kind of kooky, so he's even more fun to be around. Alright, you've had your freaking turn signal on for like 200 feet. Go! What is he even doing? I don't even know if Wayne... Yeah, they should be open by 10.
I was gonna ride. Ah! No! I was gonna ride through the grass below the curb.
Oh. It's good to be back. I think it was a child! It's good to be back. Let's touch all the things with our feet. All the things. I'm touching the ground! And we're here at Wayne's. I'm a cool kid. I coached with no engine on. We're good. You're recording now.
I'm recording. We do ride now, yes?
Huh?
We do ride now, yes?
What?
We do ride.
We do a ride.
Yes, we do ride right now.
Mini ride.
Okay, mini ride. Oh God, this bike very powerful. Oh, it make the noises. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. Bye bye. Okay, 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 okay. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Bye bye. That way. That way. What direction this is? Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Wow! Bike is very much powerful. Eco mode? The fuck is that? I don't want to fucking none of this economy ass bullshit. No eco mode. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, this is very fun. I can't see. Where the fuck is Woolies? Oh, I can't do Woolies. Why can't I do Woolies? Ah, I hit my nuts. Oh! He's waiting! Say hi to your followers! Woo! Wait, you're my followers now. I have stolen you. Just like it. Look at all that goddamn farmland. Hell yeah, brother. Raise hell, praise Dale. Everybody parks his NASCAR in that there barn right there. Meow, wow. All that water. So much goddamn water. It's a horse! This bike just makes you want to ride like a dickhead. Like, it's really bad. Like, anybody that likes riding like a dickhead should definitely get an FZ. Like, whether it's a 9 or the 7, I mean, either way, you're gonna ride like an asshole. That wind in your chest is pretty ridiculous. I mean, I'm really getting after the tank, trying to fucking squeeze and hold on. Look at that tank sliders either. It's got this dip on it though. That's pretty grippy for pants. I don't know where he wants us to go. So, yeah. So I've stolen you. Yep. Fucking ass eco mode. Get out of here. Fucking bullshit. No. 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 See it? No. No. God damn it. Oh, caterpillar! Very easy. Look at that. A Cadillac with some rims, dog. Wow, this thing is very droney. Very droney! Yak racks! Doing some yakking? Fishing from your yak? Okay. He says go this way. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, God, it's scary! I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. I touched it. I almost touched it. Eco mode sucks. We're going that way. We're gonna go right. I feel like I'm on a Harley. Ah! Oh God! That's so easy. Oh my God. It's terrifying. It's terrifying. Oh God. That's not neutral. Okay. It's very scary. And I don't like eco mode.
You don't like what?
Eco mode! It goes into eco mode anytime you let off the throttle. And that gas-saving, tree-hugging pussy shit is stupid.
Oh, man. My bike feels so little after riding that frickin' thing. It's a monstrosity. So there we go. I'm interested to see because I have no idea what Cody said in that entire little ride there. So I won't know until I start editing this later. But yeah, we're just gonna call this video here as long as this Ford here doesn't run into me. But hope you guys like that the channel's back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram. can look me up on Facebook. Can't Do Woolies. Everybody, have a good time. Thanks for watching.